I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete all of your chats in Deepseek on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Deepseek app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the menu icon. A menu opens where you'll see a list of all of the chats you've initiated with Deepseek. Step 2. Tap your email at the bottom of this menu. Your Deepseek profile screen opens. Step 3. Tap Delete All Chats at the bottom of this menu. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward, all chat history for this account will be permanently erased and can't be recovered. Step 4. Tap Confirm Deletion. All of the chats associated with your Deepseek account will be deleted immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.